Hi, my name is Paul Wemmes. I'm treasurer of the WMMA, the Wood Machinery Manufacturers of America. And I'm here today to tell you what a fantastic opportunity it is to be nominated to be a 40 under 40 member. That's the future of our organization, and I would encourage you to nominate anyone in your organization that you think would be qualified. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jameson Scott, Executive Committee of the WMMA. We welcome you to the 40 under 40, a wonderful opportunity to network with peers and develop some wonderful relations, learn from others within the industry, and overall have a wonderful time within the woodworking industry.
Hi, my name is Steve Carter. I'm the Vice President of WMMA. I would like to extend an invitation to all young professionals in our industry, 40 under 40, to come on down to IWF in August 2018. Thank you.
This is Chris Hacker, current president of the WMMA, inviting all young professionals to the 40 under 40 event at the upcoming IWF show in Atlanta this August.